Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about the different types of relations. In the earlier video we have discussed about the Cartesian product, relation and function, how these three are related to each other. Here we are going to discuss different types of relations. Mainly there are three types of relations: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. These all are nothing but properties of relationships. We have some relation. If that relation satisfies some property, it is called reflexive, symmetric, transitive. The same relation can be reflexive and symmetric both as well at the same time. So we will discuss each one by one and we will give some real life examples as well. The definition of reflexive relation says that a relation R on a set A is called reflexive if pair A and A is an element of relation. Holds true for every element A. It means every element of A is related to itself. For example, if we have a set like this, A is basically set of 1, 2. And we will map to that set itself, A into A, and we will get some Cartesian products. After that we are defining a relation. So relation is basically a set of 1, 1, 2, 2. So all the elements in this set, there is two elements 1 and 2. 1 is related to itself and 2 is related to itself. So this is what is meant by reflexive relation. So we will take some examples here. The relation is equal to on the set of real numbers is a reflexive relation, since every real number is equal to itself. This is the example. Here 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2. So this is an reflexive relation. Every element of set is mapped to itself. Now let's look at the symmetric relation. The definition of symmetric relation says that a relation R on a set A is called symmetric if pair BA is element of relation holds when pair AB is element of R. Basically, when AB is element of relation, pair of BA is also element of R. That is the condition of symmetric relation. Let's take an example. This is a real life example. Is brother of. When we are putting this relation on a set of male siblings, it is going to be a symmetric relation since everyone is a brother to each other. For example, we have two brothers, Agil and Rajesh. If we take the Cartesian product A into A, we will get some Cartesian product and we are defining a relation, brother of. So if Agil is brother of Ragesh, Ragesh is also brother of Agil. So we will get a relation like this. So in this relation, when pair AR is a element of relation, RA is also element of relation. That is what we mean by symmetric relation. So here we can see that this is a symmetric relation. Now let us look at the what is transitive relation. Transitive relation says that a relation R on a set A is called transitive if pair of A and B is an element of R and pair of B and C is also element of R, then pair of A and C is element of R for all A, B, C element of A. Basically here we have three pairs. If pair of A and B is element of R and pair B and C is element of R, basically this pair AC is an element of R. If the relation satisfies this property, then the relation is called transitive relation. Let's take some example. The relation is strictly greater than is basically a transitive relation on a natural numbers. We have a set 1, 2, 3. We will take Cartesian product and then we are defining a relation. So we are getting a relation like this 1, 2, 2, 3, then 1, 3. In this case 1, 2 is a part of relation, 2, 3 is also part of relation, then 1, 3 is also a part of relation. That's what we mean by this condition. This is the relation. So this relation satisfies this property. So that relation is called transitive relation. So far we have discussed about three different types of relations: reflexive, symmetric and transitive. There are other relations as well, but these are the most commonly relations used in the different subjects like economics, physics and all. In the next video we will discuss about the different types of functions.